Well, hello to you all today. KooKoo's in the house, and we're going to continue along today on a peppermint theme. Sooner or later, we might get a little sick of peppermint, but right now, today, we are going to make some chocolate peppermint mousse dip. So there are two products that we're going to feature today from the KooKoo Exchange. The continuing theme of our white chocolate peppermint mini bars. They have been incredibly versatile, but they're probably the best by themselves, you know. But you can add them, and that white chocolate in the bar infuses greatly with different kinds of flavors. We were scouring the internet for mousse, chocolate peppermint mousse recipes. Tell you the truth, what I found is the chocolate mousse was with peppermint or without peppermint was pretty doggone hard to make. I've seen a whole array of ingredients that you had to put in, and then you had to cook it, and then be careful for the temperature, and the guy who's not a cook, me, thought this is too much work. And then I thought, let me see what it takes to make KooKoo Exchange mousse. And it comes in a packet here, a kit, if you will. We got our mousse mix here. We have these Chef Select dark chocolate bars. And they come in the kit enough for what is made for it. You can also get these Chef Select dark chocolate bars separate. And I've used them several times. They are awesome for cooking and making things with. Looks like to me about all you need to get started is 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream. Pour that into your bowl. Then put a packet of mousse mix in. It doesn't take much to make it. That's my whole point. We don't have to slave over the stove or anything, but we do have to be careful. Make sure that the beaters are not going to fly out. So we mix this up. And we give it a couple minutes till we start to get, can you hear me? Mix this up so we start to get things to peak. And at 2 to 3 minutes of this, beating the mousse mix with the whipping cream. Oh, that's peaking. Now, we are going to move to another bowl. Put this aside for a second. And we have our 2 Chef Select dark chocolate bars. And at last minute, kind of thinking about it, as we found out we were going to melt these, we're just going to, this is the peppermint part. This is the thing that makes it a little bit different from chocolate mousse. And the peppermint part, we don't have to get any peppermint extract. We don't have to be careful about measuring and stuff like that. This is white chocolate, the white chocolate peppermint mini bars that are a limited edition item, and we're going to melt those two in the microwave. So we got our microwave over here, and we're going to pop it in there. The directions say at 20-second intervals. We're going at 30. Okay, so we give this a good stirring up. This is good. Ooh, awesome. We want to go with about half cup of our mousse mix. There we go there. And we mix this up together, get it to come together. Now you got that mixed up good. So you got that chocolate bar starting to mix up, and then we can put all the rest in. So we get the hand mixer back on this and whip it all in. Put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, we've been a little over a half hour and our stuff is definitely firmed up, and we're just going to put it up into our serving dish of whatever to kind of be able to dip stuff. Then our dipping item for us is going to be these Biscoff little cookie wafers. Our peppermint dust, we'll sprinkle a little bit on there. And what is our peppermint dust? Our peppermint dust, just kind of like calling it that, was done in a coffee grinder, and it was these little starburst, starlight I think, peppermint things. Brock's makes them, pretty popular. Kind of a peppermint mint. Went to the store for candy canes, not out yet, so we'll just decorate it up a little bit like that. And there you have it. Chocolate peppermint mousse with the kit from the KooKoo Exchange, and using the white chocolate peppermint mini bars, the new item coming out this year. All right, here comes the big deal. This is the most important part, is to try to taste it. Like I say, we're using this as dip. We got these Biscoff little cookie wafers, and these are really good by themselves, but when it should be a little bit better with some chocolate dip in there. Very nicely. Got your peppermint dust on the top. Oh, it's like chocolate ice cream kinda, but smoother, with the crunch of the cookie. I'm waiting for our first dish to where I can say, you know, this isn't that good. But I can't say that about this. This is really good. And you all should run and get yourself some mousse kit. You can have it up and ready in easily less than an hour. It just takes a few minutes to mix up. Now this is the mousse with the mousse kit. That it's not the mousse that you go see in the Northwest or hunt in Alaska. It's just some powder and some dark chocolate. Absolutely delicious. So until next time, go check out our Facebook page, KooKoo for KooKoo, and without a doubt, don't you think it'd be worth it to like Cooking with KooKoo, this YouTube page, because you'll get all these kind of crazy videos that we've done. You can look at the ones that we've already done, and it's been a lot of fun. So that's one of our missions here, is to have fun, show you guys, educate you a little bit on how you can do some cooking, and because I'm not a cook, but I'm cooking, and this is a big deal. It's pretty cool, and appreciate your support through the KooKoo Exchange, and we will see you next time. We got one more little peppermint surprise coming for you. So we will see you later. Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo, on the Cooking for KooKoo, Cooking for, I always miss this, what is it? Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. We will see you guys later. Bye-bye.